Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ManyChat if it's not working in 2026. Whether your automations aren't running, messages aren't sending, or the dashboard isn't loading, these simple fixes usually solve the problem. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection and refresh the ManyChat dashboard. Yeah, temporary network issues can sometimes cause the platform to stop working properly. Next, make sure your Facebook page or Instagram account is still connected to ManyChat. If the connection has expired, simply reconnect your account and grant all the required permissions. Now clear your browser's cache and cookies, then sign back into ManyChat. Outdated browser data or extensions can sometimes interfere with the dashboard. If your automations aren't triggering, check that your flow is published and active. Also, confirm that the trigger conditions, keywords, or automation rules are set up correctly. After that, test your automation again by sending a message from your connected account. If the problem continues, try using a different browser or check ManyChat's status page for any temporary service issues. And that's it. If nothing works, contact ManyChat support and include any error messages or screenshots to help them resolve the issue faster. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.